Welcome to OpenEduCat, comprehensive open-source ERP for educational institutes designed to optimize academic operations. Catering to educational institutes of every scale, whether small, medium, or large, our platform delivers streamlined solutions tailored to their needs. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, OpenEduCat makes managing your institution a breeze. OpenEduCat is designed to help you manage your students, staff, courses, and everything in between with ease. And you can access all the information you need in one place. Whether you're a school administrator, teacher, or student, OpenEduCat has you covered. You can track student progress, manage assignments, and even communicate with your students and staff through its built-in messaging system. And the best part? OpenEduCat is open source, which means that you have complete control over your data and can customize it to meet your specific needs. So why wait? Start streamlining your education operations with OpenEduCat today.